So today I want to be talking to you about how to find winning video ideas. The idea for this is to steal smartly, not blindly. Don't invent or guess. Look at what works and then steal smartly, because you don't want to be stealing them one for one, because it doesn't make sense. Steal, adopt. Now, let me explain. What you need to do, you need to stop guessing and start finding. Most creators waste hours brainstorming ideas from the top. I mean, there is no point to that. There's a smarter way. You should be studying what's already winning. So you should examine your niche. There are other channels running experiments every day, posting videos, and their view counts tell you exactly what worked and what didn't. And you have to be really smart and strategic about it. What do I mean? I have a 3-step outlier method. Now, the idea is because you need to be looking for outliers. I mean, this is nothing new. People have been telling you all the time and people are like just guessing. But the thing is, you should be scanning your niche for channels and find high view videos which have a high view to subscriber ratio. So those reveal the unmet demand, and in that case, a small channel, if it gets 10 times normal their views on one video, the idea did the heavy lifting, not everything else. And it's really important that you guys figure out that you should be looking at the small channels, because the same rule doesn't apply to big ones. Big ones have already their audience, they already are covering very well their topic and everything, but small ones, if the video view count is way outperforming the subscriber count, that means it's a great idea or it was a trendy thing, and this actually worked for that particular content creator. So let me say why the small channels are gold. When a small channel gets a video with 10 times multiplier or 100 times their normal view count, that's a signal, it's not luck. Big channels win on reputation. They're like brands like Apple, Google, whatever. Small ones have to make their stuff good in order to be visible. So they win on ideas, and that outlier video tells you exactly what your audience is desperately searching for. So from that perspective, the idea is the winning formula. And then what we have recapped, packaging comes and refines that idea, makes it cool, makes it presentable. So low subscriber count plus massive views, that's idea doing the work. So what do you need to look for? Then you look title, what words did they use? Be paying attention specifically to which words they're using. What's the emotion? Was it emotion or curiosity that does the trigger? What's the visual hook? Contrast, face, bold text. What did make the viewer click in the first place? And then evaluate the idea. What topic or angle made this video different from everything else? And there we go, how you can find the outliers fast. You don't need fancy tools. Go directly to your YouTube channel, click videos and sort by most popular. Then look for spikes. Those are videos that massively outperform any channel's average. Of course, there are always tools that can help you out with this, but those tools are either vidIQ, you will be able to get the links for the tools, or TubeBuddy, or pretty much any other tool these days has an outlier search. 1 of 10, for example. By the way, those tools, for those of you who are members of my YouTube Operator Academy, this is going to be part of the classroom, you can access all of those tools or links to all of those tools within the Tools and Resources library. And there you have all the information about the tools and how to access them and where to get them from. The idea is, don't copy, adapt. Copying is lazy, gets you nowhere, gets you banned on YouTube. However, adapting is a skill. Take the proven angle, the title structure, visual hook, core idea, and rebuild it for your audience, your voice, and your niche. I cannot stress this enough, it's really important that you adapt rather than copy. And what's the difference? Copying, same title, word for word, same thumbnail layout, same color, same script, different face. Adapting means same curiosity hook, but new angle. Inspired layout, your unique style, same topics, but your original take. You have to understand what are you bringing to the table and why should they watch you as opposed to that creator. So your goal is to understand why it worked and then to make something better. So let's build your idea system. I want you to be researching weekly. This is not daily activity. So book a time in your calendar, spend 30 minutes each week scanning 5 channels in your niche, look for the video outliers, save them in a spreadsheet or track title, thumbnail, and topic. And try to adapt one idea per week and see how it works. There are 3 rules before we leave that I want to go over. First is, don't guess. Let the data tell you what your audience already wants. Second, find the outliers. Find the patterns. 1 outlier is luck, 3 outliers in a row, it's a formula. And then adapt. Make proven concepts of your own. This is not cheating, it's rather a strategy. And this is a part of your first 2 weeks on YouTube, just to get you gripes with the basics, to start understanding what you should be looking out for, because there's like an entire sea of content. It's an ocean of content out there, and everybody's giving you good advice. What I'm trying to do different here is to give you step-by-step advice at the time when you actually need it. So you publish your first videos, and then you need this advice to know how to improve. So if that sounds interesting, click the subscribe button. There's gonna be lots more videos on this topic, and I'll see you in the next one.